Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to use letter frames on Canva. The first thing we're going to do is select an image. I like this one. In fact, we're going to put the word happy on our image using a letter frame. Okay, before we insert the letters, let's add a bit of color over the image for contrast. Great, let's just drag that to the bottom so that we're able to still see the image. Now, how about we change the color to white? That's it, perfect. Let's make this transparent. Okay, cool. So now it's time for our letters. We'll start with the letter frame H. Now we want to add our image into the letter frame. To do that, just drag and drop your image right onto the frame. Then we want to crop our image so it looks seamless. Hit the crop button, then use the pointers to stretch your letter image until it's in line with the original photo and boom, there you go. I like to add a shadow to the letter so that it pops more. To do that, copy your letter. Add your shadow color, I'm using black, then send it to the back. Then adjust the transparency so you get that shadowy effect. Finally, we're going to add the rest of our text. Drag them into place. Get a font that's good for impact. Increase the size. Change the color and boom. There you go. Beautifully done, letter frames. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, see you next time.